Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Translate app so it works reliably. First, open Translate and grant microphone and camera permissions. These let you speak and use live Translate. Then select your source and target languages and download any offline language packs to avoid lag. Tap the language and choose Download. Once done, set your preferred dialect if available and toggle auto detect for quick switching. This reduces pauses during conversations and makes speech recognition more accurate. You now run the core features: conversation and camera. Tap conversation mode and hand the phone to neither person. Position it upright between speakers so the app captures both voices clearly. For printed text, switch to camera and point steadily. Crop the region for better OCR and tap Translate. If the environment is noisy, use dictation or handwriting. They improve accuracy for mumbling or non-Latin scripts. Make sure the correct languages are selected and adjust speech volume. This helps the model separate voices and reduce errors. You finish by saving and integrating translations into your workflow. Tap the star to save useful phrases and share results with messages or copy them to the clipboard for apps. You can invoke Translate with Siri or from the share sheet in other apps to speed tasks. If translation fails, check microphone and camera permissions, ensure the language pack is downloaded, and update iOS. Restarting the Translate app or your iPhone often clears caches and resolves recognition glitches. That single troubleshooting step fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.